Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Play of the Week video. This is for the week ending July 1st, 2018. The stock was KR as in Kroger. The date was 6/26. I believe that was a Tuesday. The strategy was based on a 15-minute DTS buy setup. The entry was advanced, the management simple, reward to risk about 1.7 to 1. I picked this particular stock because it was an example of using a gap, not on day one or even day two, but on day three, which is something you can use gaps for. A lot of people think that they can only be traded the first minutes of the day, but in truth, I do most of my profitable plays either later on day one or on day two, day three. I save the list. And this is a good example of that. This was KR as it looked the day I went to do it. And I was looking at the fact that the stock had this gap up, which on the day that it happened was a fairly bullish gap, but the stock ran up for 2 big days and then put in a topping tail lower high, so I was looking at it that next day. Coming down to a 15-minute chart, this is what it looked like going into that morning. This is before the play was done. This is going into close. This is the chart that I saw that I saved to my watch list. This is the 15-minute sell setup, and I'm going to put that in quotes because it really didn't meet all the requirements, but I cut it some slack because this is coming on a stock that had gapped up and put in these whole series of lower highs going into the morning. It had slipped under the moving averages and was on a rally making yet another low in that same general area. Because the setup was not perfect, I didn't take it right out of the open, but rather waited, and you see that 15-minute bar created a fairly large bar quickly. But let's take a look at the 2-minute chart and see how the entry is found. Then the stock ran down hard. You can see those first two 2-minute bars, and then it's on this rally back that I got my short there, 29.18, with the stop back up there over the high that pivot at 29.34. And the stock fell very quickly initially, so I took a quick first target right at the whole number there. The stock bounced and then let it go to make a new low and got it as it trail stopped just coming off that low at 11 o'clock at 28.91. So overall, a nice play and totally done by 11 o'clock in the morning on the stock KR. This stock, this play, all the plays that you see in these Trade of the Week videos are done in the DTS trading room where you can follow along, where you can follow the plays, where we review all the potential plays in the morning before we get going. And 95% of the time, those plays are done on the stocks that we discuss and have plenty of notice and discussion before they occur. If you'd like to take a trial to the DTS trading room, simply go to the website. You'll find it there somewhere. Until next time, this is Paul for Disciplined Trading Strategies. Good trading, everybody.